Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Android personalization for beginner. How to enable dark mode on your Android phone. So if you enjoy dark mode like me, as you can see, all black, no heart, your eyes. So you can turn this on, the dark mode. So all you have to do is just go to the personalization here. So if you cannot see the dark mode here, so it can be different on your devices. You can also try to go to the display and brightness. This one, dark mode settings, style, reduce contrast in low light condition, and dark mode for third-party apps. You can tap it. So this is the dark mode setting that you can adjust. For example, I'm using the enhanced all black solid. You can try medium, a little bit gray, and gentle is light gray here. So you can try to use this three mode, but the point is this is dark mode, not the light one. So if you prefer this mode, please adjust it. For example, adjust wallpaper to dark mode, turn on, adjust icons to dark mode, you can turn on. And reduce contrast in low light condition, yes, of course you have to turn this on. And if you want to use another third-party apps, you can try to tap on this mode. Dark mode for third-party apps can apply dark mode to apps that do not already contain a dark mode option. It might not work properly for some apps. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.